Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter. This is chapter 7, Storage Devices. In this chapter, we will learn about the various storage devices that we use to store data. So before we start, we must know what is data. Basically, data could be anything. It can be numbers, words, pictures, and even sound like music. As the teacher marks your attendance in the register, that is also data. Data can also be the grades that you get in your test. The library in your school has many books that can also be data. The computer can do some work only when it gets data from you. It cannot work on its own. You need to instruct it with some data. Now this data could be anything and you give data to the computer when you type using the keyboard. When you click with your mouse to select something on the screen, you give some data to the computer. For example, you want to add 2 or 3, you must type 2 plus 3 from the keyboard. Only then can the computer give you the answer. So now the question arises that where do you store things that you want to remember? In your memory, of course. Let us discuss where different things are stored. You need some place to keep or store the data. Simply the books are kept in the library in cupboards. The attendance is kept safely in your teacher's register. Your mother stores fruits, vegetables, and many other things in a refrigerator. Other examples are like you keep your toys in a cupboard. Similarly, your father keeps his important paper in a file, and the files are kept in a cabinet. Now the question is, how does a computer store data? The computer data is stored in different ways. You can store data inside the computer in a hard disk. This hard disk is kept inside the CPU box. You can also store some data in CDs, that is compact disc, DVDs, that is digital versatile disc, and also pen drives. These can be carried from one place to another. You can also store data in the data card. These are used in mobile phones, cameras, and many others. So with this, we have completed our 7th chapter. I hope you all have understood it. So study well. Question and answers and exercises of this chapter will be uploaded on the website. Write the question and answers in your notebook and do the exercises in your test book itself.